Hi everyone, welcome again today to Andrea Chef Lady's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be preparing for you shrimp fried rice. And for that we're going to need 4 cups of leftover white rice, cold, 1 pound of cooked shrimp, a 1/4 cup of green onions, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 10 ounces of green peas and carrots, 4 large whole eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seed oil. Hi everyone, welcome again today to Andrea Chef Lady's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be preparing for you shrimp fried rice. And for that we're going to need 4 cups of leftover white rice, cold, 1 pound of cooked shrimp, a 1/4 cup of green onions, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 10 ounces of green peas and carrots, 4 large whole eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seed oil. So first of all, I'm gonna crack my eggs. So that's my 4 eggs, cracked and beaten. So now guys, we have our non-stick skillet on the stove heating up. So we're gonna add a teaspoon of oil, and we're gonna add our egg mixture. So now we're gonna cook our eggs, not dried, but a little ways from runny. We don't want it too dry and we don't want it too runny, because we're gonna have to add it back to the rice and other mixture. So and guys, the eggs can be added to the rice and stuff just the same. You don't even have to cook the eggs first. You can just crack the eggs in the rice and other whatever else you have in it. Whatever else accompaniment you have in the rice, you can just add the eggs. But I prefer to cook my eggs first. So now our eggs are done for now, guys. So we're going to put this aside in a bowl until we're ready to get it in there again. So it's done like that right now. So I'm gonna set this aside and clean my skillet and get ready to saute my green onions. So now we're gonna add another teaspoon of oil in our skillet. And then we're gonna add the green onions. And we're gonna saute these guys for about 30 seconds. No more. Or till they're scented, you know. No more than 30 seconds. We don't want to cook them to brown or anything like that. We still want them to have the green color. So that's about what we're looking for, guys. Right there. So now we're gonna add our 4 cups of white rice. And we're gonna mix this in real good with the green onions so we can get the colors in there real nicely. And we're going to spread the rice in the pot real nice and leave it here on one side for about 2.5–3 minutes without turning it or anything. Remember, we're making fried rice now, guys. Fried rice. First of all, I want to get the scallions in there real good. And we have to make sure we separate our rice real good, you know, because it's cold rice, so sometimes they stuck together. So we have to make sure we separate them evenly so everything can be cooked right. Alright guys, so we're gonna leave this to cook on each side for about 2.5 minutes. And now we're going to add our soy sauce. We're gonna mix it in well. Then we're gonna add our mixed veggies. Stir this in real good. We're gonna add our shrimp. I'm gonna add the eggs. Now for our final ingredient, guys, we have to add 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seed oil. And this oil is very strong, so you don't want to add too much. There's not fried rice without sesame seed oil, but you have to know how to gauge it. Too much is like no good. So guys, we are almost there now. We're just going to let that sit for a little bit more. And then we'll cut our heat completely. Alright. Now the shrimp fried rice is done. I'm going to plate mine. And I'm going to get eating, guys. I have to. It's too good. I'm gonna fix me a nice bowl, guys. Oh yeah. Get some of these shrimp in there. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. Yes, sirree. Shrimp fried rice tonight, guys. And I'm watching for the Hurricane Darian. My family stepped out for a minute, so they'll be back soon. So when they come in, we're all gonna be stacked up on some fried rice and stuff like that. And here is my finished dish, my shrimp fried rice. Guys, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos. And you know it's your girl, Andrea Chef Lady, doing my thing in the kitchen. And guess what? Hurricane Darian is on its way to Florida. So you know, I have to cook up some food for me and the fam. So this your girl, holla at me. Until next time, guys.